Assalamualaikum my viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be sharing with you the recipe of everyone's favorite pancakes. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's have a look on the ingredients that are required to make pancakes. 1.5 cup all-purpose flour, 1 egg, 1 cup liquid milk, 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, 7 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of salt, I'm using butter oil to fry the pancakes. And lastly, we need 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Instead of baking powder, you can use baking soda as well. Also check description box for the ingredients. I'll provide the ingredient list over there. Now let's start the procedure. On an electric blender, add sugar, oil, milk and egg and mix it well. The same thing you can do it with a electric beater, manual beater or even a fork. Blend everything around 3 to 4 minutes. Now on a bowl, pour the mixture. Now with the help of a strainer, add the flour, add a pinch of salt and baking powder. Here I'm using a spatula to mix everything. You can use a spoon as well. We're done mixing. And this should be the consistency. I hope you can understand by looking at the video. Now let's move on to frying the pancakes. Here I have taken a non-stick pan, added some butter oil. Now depending on what size of the pancake you like, pour that much amount of the batter on the pan. Wait for 2 minutes. When the bottom side of the pancakes will be done, it will automatically release the pan and you can easily flip the pancakes. See this beautiful color? So our one side of the pancake is done. Wait for another 2 minutes for the other side of the pancakes to be ready. Within 3 to 4 minutes, our pancakes will be ready to be served. Our beautiful pancake is ready. Look at the gorgeous color. And this is the thickness. This is the final look of our pancakes. You can have it as it is, or you can garnish with some fruits like bananas or strawberries, or you can add some Hershey's chocolate syrup or honey as well. I hope you liked the recipe of pancakes, and if you did, then don't forget to hit the like button. And yes, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. And yes, also you can share your opinion about this recipe by commenting down below in the comment section. It's time to say goodbye. See you in my next cooking tutorial. Till then, cook, eat and stay humble. Allah Hafiz.